Dad, can I tell you something?
Yes, Lily. Tell me. What happened?
Dad, I cannot do my homework. I try, but I feel scared. My hands shake. My mind stops.
It's okay, Lily. You are learning. It takes time. Don't worry. I am here with you.
But, Dad, I make mistakes. Many mistakes. I feel stupid.
No, my sweetie. You are not stupid. You are learning. Mistakes help you learn. Mistakes make you better.
But my homework is English. English is hard for me.
We will do it together. Slowly. One sentence at a time. You will learn. Your homework is simple present tense, right?
Yes, Dad.
Good. Simple present is easy. We use it for daily actions, for habits, for things we do every day.
Okay, Dad.
We say I plus verb. I eat. I go. I study. I play.
Yes, Dad, I understand.
Now tell me, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up.
What time?
I wake up at 7.
Very good. Say it again.
I wake up at 7.
After you wake up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good. Say both sentences.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Next.
I wash my face and take a bath.
Wonderful. Your English is clear.
Thank you, Dad.
After your bath, what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat bread. I eat fruit. I drink milk.
Very good. All correct.
Really?
Yes, Lily. You speak well.
Thank you, Dad.
After breakfast,
I go to school.
say, I go to school at 8:30.
I go to school at 8:30.
What do you do at school?
I study. I read. I write. I talk to my friends.
Excellent. Now listen to a short paragraph. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8:30. I study. I talk to my friends.
I repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8:30. I study. I talk to my friends.
Perfect. Now, what do you do after school?
I come home. I eat lunch. I rest. I study. I help Mom and you.
Add more details.
I drink water. I read a book.
Very good. See? Your homework is getting easier.
I feel better now, Dad.
Tell me your evening routine.
I go outside. I play with my friends. I laugh. I talk. I come home. I wash my face. I drink tea or milk. I study again.
Beautiful. Very clear sentences. And at night?
I eat dinner. I talk to you. I talk to Mom. I watch videos. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep.
Tell me things you like.
I like music. I like tea. I like drawing. I like English class now. I like spending time with you.
Thank you, sweetie. Now things you don't like.
I don't like noise. I don't like cold water. I don't like homework sometimes. I don't like fighting. I don't like waking up late.
Make negative sentences with I don't.
I don't shout. I don't run in school. I don't skip homework now. I don't sleep late. I don't eat junk food every day.
Good. Now he doesn't, she doesn't.
He doesn't wake up early. She doesn't drink milk. My brother doesn't sit quietly. My friend doesn't study in the morning. My cousin doesn't play football.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Do you study daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you play at night?
No, I don't.
Does mom cook dinner?
Yes, she does.
Does your friend help you?
Yes, he does.
Does your brother listen?
No, he doesn't.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
When do you study?
I study in the evening.
Where do you live?
I live in a small house.
Who helps you now?
You help me, Dad.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English for a good future.
Describe your school.
My school is big. It has many rooms. It has a playground. My teachers are kind. My friends study with me. I like my school.
Describe your home.
My home is small. It has 2 rooms. It has a kitchen. Mom cooks in the kitchen. We eat together. We are happy.
Now, say your full routine. Short sentences only.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I talk to my friends. I come home. I eat lunch. I rest. I study. I help Mom. I play outside. I drink milk. I study again. I eat dinner. I talk to my family. I watch videos. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep.
Sweetie, my dear, today you spoke very well. Your English is simple. Your English is correct. Your English is strong.
Thank you, Dad. I feel happy. I feel confident.
Good. Remember, small sentences make strong English. Practice every day. I am always here to help you.
Thank you, Dad. I will practice daily.
Very good, Lily.